Hello students, today we are going to discuss the practical sessions for our chapter number 2, that is Introduction to Windows 7. In this chapter, we'll be discussing about the practical sessions of understanding files and folders. So in this video we'll be discussing about what are files, folders and the video about it. Okay, so let us start our today's session. Understanding files and folders. File. A file is a container of the work we do on a computer. We perform the work and then save it for future reference. Folder. A folder is referred to as the container of one or more than one file. Okay, so what is a file? File is a container of the work we do on a computer. For example, you are writing a document, then that document is known as a file. Okay, folder. Folder means when you're doing some work and then if you want to save that in something, then that type of container is known as folder. So folder is referred to as a container of one or more than one file. So in folder you can keep more than one files. Okay, so let us learn about this in detail. So here we will be seeing about what are files and folders. So you can see here these yellow boxes are referred to as the folders. Okay, so these are known as the folders where we store some files. Okay, so here this is known as the folder and these two here you can see these are known as files. Okay, so the thing which is visible in yellow, you can see over here, these all things visible in yellow are known as folders. Okay, so these all things over here are folders. There are files inside these folders. Okay, so you can see these all are folders. Okay, and you can see here now I have opened this folder. These are the files over here. Here you can see I am pointing the cursor over here. These are known as files. Okay, so this is the difference between files and folders. So you can see here where I'm pointing, these all are the folders. Okay, these are the folders over here. So you can see over where I'm pointing, so these, you can see these four are the files. Okay, these are the different files available, and the pointer where I'm keeping the cursor is known as the folder. Okay, folder consists of different files, and file is individual itself a type of program. Okay, so you can see the highlighted things are known as folders over here. So you can see here these all yellow things are nothing but folders, and the other things are known as files. Okay, so this was all about files and folders. Now coming to the next one, computer libraries. Computer libraries are the things which are in the computer for different file storage. For example, document library, music library, pictures library, and video library. So here document library consists of all the documents which are there in your computer. Music library will be holding all the music files in your computer. Pictures library will be consisting all the pictures that are stored in your computer. Video library will be having all your video files that are in your computer. So let us discuss about each of the different libraries individually. So let us look at this video for having different libraries. Go to start menu, click on computer, and then you can see this menu will be opened. From here you can see in the left hand side libraries folder is displayed. Once you click on that libraries, your libraries will be opened. So these are the 4 different libraries which are there in your computer by default. So open each of the libraries for different categories. So here you can see when we open document libraries, then all the documents, that is PDF file, document file, presentation files, all are there in the document library. Document library means it will be holding all the document files whichever are there in your computer. Here you can see this Excel sheet. This one is Excel sheet. Next one, this one is document sheet. This HTML document sheet. So here this is a presentation file. This is the Word file. And these are the different types of folders which are there in your computer. So coming to the next one, that is music library. So this one was all about your document library. So this one is your music library. So this is the by default sample music folder which is there in your computer. Just open the sample music and then you can see the music files that are by default stored in your computer. So these are the 3 music files which are by default in your computer. Play any of the files and then you can see their mp3 files, that is music file. So as you can see over here, these are the different music files in the music library. So you can see over here, this is the picture library. In picture library, all the picture files will be visible. So as you can see over here, I have opened this picture. So these are the different pictures that are available in the computer. So these all are the pictures which are available in your computer, and this is under the picture library. And the last one is video library. When you click on video library, then this sample videos folder will be open. Okay, so you can see over here a sample video is displayed on your computer, so you can just check it out by double clicking it. Okay, so you can see this in the sample video folder. So you can see this was the video library. Okay, so these all four are the libraries which are there. Okay, you can see in the left hand side this libraries. Okay, when you click on this libraries, then all the four libraries will be displayed over here. So these was all about your libraries. I hope you all are clear about this libraries and understanding files and folders. So this was all about today's class. We'll be discussing next things in the next class. Till then, thank you.